Finance practice exercises number 24. A friend bought a house 13 years ago, taking out a $120,000 mortgage. At 6.75% for 30 years. So the time on this mortgage was 30 years, making monthly payments. How much does she still owe on the mortgage? So the first thing that we are going to have to figure out is what are the monthly payments. So we'll be looking for that R. Okay, so let's set this up into our loan formula. And as always in this particular situation, we are looking to figure out what this is right here. And once we find that amount, we're going to take our $120,000 and divide by this amount. And in this case, we will get our R to be $778.32. So that's just a monthly payment. So remember on the remaining balance problems, so we're looking for our new T to be how much time is remaining on that loan. So the loan was 30 years. They've been paying for 13 years, so they have 17 years to go. So what will be our new principal for the 17 years remaining on our loan? Okay, so we have P equals $778.32. 1 minus 1 plus 0.0675 divided by 12. Now we will raise it to that 17 times negative 12, and that's going to give us negative 204. Sorry, it's hard to find my notes sometimes. All over 0.0675 divided by 12. So again, where did I get this? This is our 12 times 17, and there we go. And actually it's a negative number. Okay, so our remaining principal on this particular loan is $94,304.49.